Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2004, Disneyland announced the Happiest Faces on Earth, a Disney family album, on the park's 49th anniversary. Guests were asked to submit photos of their favorite Disney memories to be used in collages that were posted during Disneyland's 50th anniversary. Guests shared over 200,000 photos that were then assembled into 35 installations of beloved characters and placed around the Disneyland Resort beginning in May 2005. Hard to believe it's already been 20 years, huh? I don't remember those very well, but I think Mr. Daps does. Anyway, have a magical day.